Self-publishing.
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 Self-publishing. Self-publishing. Self-publishing.
Self-publishing.
There's a lot of information out there about self-publishing. Let's set the record straight. Self-publishing means publishing your book without going through a traditional publisher. That means you own full rights to your book and control everything about it. The designing, the writing, the editing, and the marketing. Why might self-publishing be right for you? For starters, as a self-published author, you get to set your book's price. Plus, you get to call the shots about everything that happens to your book. And with traditional publishing, it can take months to get your book out. But with self-publishing, you can publish with just a click of a button. It could take even less than 30 days. Unlike traditional publishing, where you might get only a small cut off of your book's sales, self-publishing allows you to keep 80 to 100% of your royalties even after platform fees. Plus, there is complete transparency, which means that you get real-time updates about your book sale. You need no one's approval to get your book out. If you think your book is ready, you can publish it, which might be a problem because authors are often their own worst critics. But be it fiction, non-fiction, academic books, journals, picture books, you can publish anything under the sun. But self-publishing comes with a responsibility. As a self-published author, you need to invest time and money into every part of the publishing process. With so many books out there, you need professional editing, designing, and a solid marketing plan to stand out. Otherwise, your book might not reach the right readers. But how does one do that? Well, that's for another video. Stay tuned. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!